Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So let's go ahead and see everything that comes in here. So you have this cutting board, a little user manual. It comes with some oven mitts. These little cutters and skewers, which are great for like sandwiches or your fruits, anything like that. Okay, so it came with all these different spatulas right here, from a spoon, little scooper, a batter one, and then these two right here came with these, which I might have to take these for myself. Even some of these I could actually use. A little rolling pin, and then this right here, which I probably will end up using this more than my kids as well. You have this, which is for cutting. It comes with a little knife. It's almost like a butter knife. You don't have to worry, it's not really sharp. This right here. This is another knife. Same thing. It's not really sharp. Comes with a little grater, which is a little snail, super cute. And then it comes with a little apron, which could even fit me, honestly. So pretty much you'll keep everything inside of here. So this is going to keep everything nice and organized, which is nice. Just put everything in there. And then your kids will have their own little cooking set when it's time to cook something, which is awesome. So all their little things will be found in here. And you can even put the apron inside of here. And this kind of just shows you different things, like how you would actually use each thing that's in the set. But let's go ahead and see what my daughter thinks about it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.